My children, the hour is very short to save souls. Inform my people to reconcile with their God. Tell them to come back to me and seek the kingdom of their God. The hour of the coming chastisement is near. Many souls will be lost forever. Many faithful souls will grow weak at that time. Men will find it hard to change their lives. There will be confusion in many souls. Ayun po. My son, you see how numerous is the unborn children who were aborted. Ayun na. Tingnan ninyo ang maraming mga na-aborted na children. My children, they are many. Ayun, sabi ng ating Panginoon. Their cry disturbs heaven. Ayun, naiistorbo na ang heaven. At nag-i-increase na ang galit ng Diyos Ama. Ang kanilang dugo ay their blood wounds my sacred heart. Their cry hurts the mystical wounds of my sacred heart. Ayun, ang kanilang mga panaghoy ay sumusugat sa sacred heart ng ating Panginoon at sumusugat sa mystical wounds ng sacred heart. Warn my people, o i-warn sila, my loving children, to stop sin. My people, love me and stop sin. May you stop sin. Stop fornication. Ayun, itigil ang kasalanan. Itigil ang fornication, ang kasalanan ng laman.